We're inside InternetSheet's free online course, How to Perform Deck Inspections, at the wood decay section, and we're going to talk about moisture and wood decay. This illustration here shows a lawn sprinkler system keeping a deck post very wet by spraying on it all the time. Lawn sprinkler systems that regularly keep the deck wet can contribute to decay. Here's an illustration of a downspout coming from the gutter, contributing to post decay. Downspouts should not discharge right next to a structural component of a deck. This illustration here shows an indentation in the ground surface surrounding the post, which can cause a puddle during a rainstorm and could contribute to the post decaying. Wood can decay and degrade over time with exposure to the elements. Decay is a problem that worsens with time. Members within the deck frame that have decayed may no longer be able to perform the function for which they were installed. Now, paint can hide wood rot and decay from an inspector's observations. So paint should be noted in the report. Inspectors should know that painted deck posts can hide and cover decayed wood. Cracks. As wood ages, it's common for cracks to develop. Large cracks, longer than the depth of the member, or excessive cracking overall, can weaken the deck framing. Toe-nailed connections at the deck are always at risk of splitting, and splitting of lumber near connections should be noted by the inspector.